Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ahan, and
Okay
today
guys, so
I
I don't
am
know
going
what
to be playing
happened.
Among Us. Finally, yeah. So, I have never played this game ever. So, let's the first time playing. So let's just join in one game. So we're gonna put two imposters, and there are, I guess, three maps, as you can see on the top. I'm sure every one of you has played. And now we have got in the game, and let's see what we go. Okay. Okay, so we first try we got a crewmate, that's fine. Okay, so I've seen many people play this game, so I thought maybe I'd give it a try, but it's a little difficult on phone. Okay, so we are just going to destroy all the rocks, which is pretty hard. There. Okay, that, and we have completed a task. Okay, I guess these guys solved this, handle that one. Let's go and take the one in admin. So yeah, guys, if you guys want more Among Us content, oh my god, this guy just finished it before me. Okay, well, I have another task. So yeah, if you guys want more Among Us gameplay here on the channel, please let me know down in the comments down below, and hit the like button. And if we get more than 50 likes on this video, I'll make more Among Us with more of my friends. And yeah, okay, so I guess we have one more task over here. Yeah, okay, so we're going to download some documents.
20 minutes later.
Guy running through the files is pretty funny. Okay, so of course I've gone with my specialty name Code Laser and the Mr. Beast hat, which is pretty good, if I must say. Okay, so we have completed uploading. So yeah, I guess we have one more task in electrical. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so I guess somebody just reported a crime or some whatever kill, and I don't think anybody's gonna get voted out because it was a tie. Yeah. Okay, so we had just got interrupted in between our task, which was not very good because I wasn't being able to finish that task. So now let's go and check it out once more and see if we get any luck in completing the task. So I'm not understanding when to stop, and when I stop it gets reset. So okay, so we are done with 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna take it slow. Finally. Okay, so I don't think we have any other tasks left, but don't kill me. Yeah, okay, yeah, so I don't think we have any tasks left. So you know what, let's just roam around and see if anyone needs any help, or okay boys, so I guess this blue guy just got voted out, and apparently he wasn't an imposter. Great, the search continues. Okay, so I have my suspicion on one person, so which I'm going to be calling a meeting, and I'm just going to confront them. So let's see what happens.
Moments later.
Okay boys, so I had my suspicion on Pink, and as he or she was acting a little weird, so I hopefully he or she is the imposter, and it's not. Great. So first ever game, and I lost straight away. So let's go into another one and see what happens. Okay guys, so I have logged into another match, and I guess this is the police map. So let's see what happens.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so finally the game has started, and I'm still a crewmate. I don't know man, I will never be an imposter according to me. Okay, so I don't know which map we are on, and the first I can see, so I will start, and I guess this is kind of a maze, so let me just complete it. Oh no.
Hour later.
Okay guys, so I just gave up on that task because it was near impossible to finish that task. So I think I'm going to head on to the next one, which is near the laboratory. I guess it's a science rocket or something, space rocket. Okay, so I guess I have to just tap on the little exclamation marks, which will complete our task. There we go. Okay, so now next task I think is I think you have to go around, which is gonna be long, but okay. Wait, did I see a dead body? I did. Okay, I'm gonna report it and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so the people were just about to vote me, but somehow I evaded them, so no one was rejected. It's a tie, and now we are gonna start again in the main room. Okay, so now from here I think I guess we have one over here, which is admin card swipe. It's pretty easy like always, and we got one more. Okay, so I guess we have to flip this, press on the left side. Okay, and now scan it. Okay, oh cool, that was pretty good. Okay, so now one more task we have over here. Okay, let's just first check if anyone's venting. Okay, someone's vented from electrical to I don't see where. Okay, you know what, let's just continue. Oh, this is pretty small. And one more meeting, and I'll see you guys after the meeting. We have done. Okay, one more task complete, and I guess we are done. So let's just roam around. Okay, so I don't see any tasks or any other body, so you know what, let's just try this task again.
Moments later.
Okay, this task is just impossible, which I'm not doing. What?
Control, Uday.
I mean, how? He was standing like 1 meter apart from me. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what these morons decide. Okay, so after like about half an hour, Mr. Blue just decided to vote, and still no one got rejected. Great. And the search continues. Let's see what these guys have decided.
भाई मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
Renegade. Go.